seconds. Let's talk about the interest rate decisions that will come out from the central bank. Also, when I was thinking this morning, my mind went to the microfinance institutions. And I also do
Mm.
know that for some countries that have lifted their people out of poverty. They've done that through microcredit, the high efficiency and effectiveness of microcredit to their small businesses. Here in Nigeria, we see that many microfinance banks are acting like big big banks. So what do you think perhaps would be the connection between the interest rate decision tomorrow by the Central Bank of Nigeria to microcredit institutions, in this case microfinance banks, thereby having that impact to reduction of poverty and somehow being like a palliative to the poor, because you see that even some poor people should be able to go to microfinance institutions to get money to to help their businesses. Carlo, I was just thinking a lot this morning. I don't know, you, those of you that are in that space should help me this morning.
Yeah. So, Nancy, I think the main problem is this, right? That the economy is capitalist. So credit has got to be priced appropriately. If inflation is high, credit has got to be higher than inflation. That's how it should work. But we have to look at the government. Governments are going to step in and say, credit at 20% will not grow the economy. Hence, can intervene. But how do you intervene? And you made a good point. The best way to intervene is the central bank used to have something called the Real Sector Support Fund, where the banks give their normal loans, do their normal credit procedures, they vet you, and this business is viable. The banks give the loans, then the banks go to the central bank and get the subsidy for the banks. So you are not the one chasing the subsidy. The banks will give you a loan, then go to the central bank and say, well, give me this permanent loan. Would like to get a subsidy or a guarantee. If you guarantee a loan, essentially you remove the risk. Hence, the interest rate should come down.